smoky eggplant dip with a Sicilian chili sauce. I'm going to serve it with some flatbread on the side. This is such a great way to get the party started. So in a pot, we're going to add our chili. Now, I've just got 2 long red chilies. I don't want it to be hot. I just want to have a little warmth behind it. So in that goes. Also some garlic, so 2 cloves of garlic. I want a good hit of garlic in this. And we'll just roughly chop it just so it cooks down much faster. In with our chilies, along with some capers. So just some small little capers in brine, and I've given them a good rinse. And then 2 anchovies I'm just going to roughly chop. Okay, to this I'll add some vinegar, so red wine vinegar, and lots of really good quality extra virgin olive oil. You want everything to be submerged in the oil, just to soften all these ingredients and allow them to mingle. So on with the heat, and this is going to take about 6 to 8 minutes. All right, while that's cooking away, let's get onto the eggplant. Now, I have placed this under the grill until it's really blackened on the outside. This is what's going to give it a lovely smoky flavour. So bring them out of the oven, allow them to cool, and then it's very easy to take off the skins. Look at this. So take your time doing it. It's okay if there's a little bit of black. You just don't want too much because then it'll be over smoky. Now I'll chop it up and place it into a bowl. Okay, eggplant has been prepared, so let's get some flatbread on so it all comes together at the end. You can use any flatbread of your choice into a flat pan, and you want it to be toasted and caramelized on each side. So to finish off the eggplant, we need a little bit of acid, so some fresh lemon juice. I'll squeeze that straight into the bowl. You want to cut through the richness of the smoky eggplant, so a good squeeze, along with some salt and some olive oil. And that's all I'm adding to this part of the dip because there's so much flavour that has gone into that chili oil or sauce. So we'll just give this a mix, break it up. Oh, fantastic. Okay, this can go into a bowl and we'll spread that out just with the back of your spoon, sort of make a bit of an indent in that. Great. Okay. Now, to blend this so it's smooth, I recommend just using a jug and a stick blender. And because there's only a small amount, this is the best way to do it so it gets quite smooth. So in with the oil and all of that mixture. And I'm going to blend this until it's smooth. Oh, this smells so good. I can smell the capers, the anchovies, and look at that lovely red colour, just divine. This is good on anything, but really delicious with eggplant. So let's turn our flatbread over. Ah, that's what we're after. Crispy and golden. And we're just going to take this sauce and drizzle it over our eggplant. Now you can add as much or as little, but like I like to call this, it's a flavour bomb. So we want a lot of it because eggplant is like a vehicle for all different flavours. So that is looking good. Some parsley, just a few sprigs. We'll just take them off their stalk, wrap it up, and then finally chop that. It's plenty. And we'll sprinkle that over our little dip. And the bread can come off, oh, piping hot. We'll cut that into big wedges. And we'll place them on the side. Now that is a seriously good dip.